Hello everyone. Uh, Greetings. I hope that you can hear me well. Thank you for joining. Welcome to today's webinar. My name is Peter Semancik and I'm your host for today. Today's webinar is about how you can digitize your property management services with our flagship product, Resco Inspections. Before we start, I would like to inform you that today's webinar is recorded and that you are all in listen-only mode. So if you would like to ask any questions, please feel free to type them into the question box, which can be found inside of your GoToApplication tool. I will answer them at the end of the webinar, or if I'm not able to answer them, I will get back to you with a response in an email. One thing that I would like to mention is that we do webinars on a regular basis, covering different topics from sectors like manufacturing, energy, gas and oil, or field service in general. So feel free to follow us on LinkedIn and YouTube, or check our website where you can find all the information. And finally, you can see the list of your sales team on your screen already. We are here in case of need. So if you have any question regarding licensing, specific solution for your industry, or anything else concerning our technology and products, please contact your sales rep for your territory. The email are composed of our first name dot last name at resco.net. Once again, let me introduce myself. My name is Peter Semancik. I do business development and I'm responsible for Central and Eastern Europe. And today I would like to show you one typical business process of inspection and how the both managers and technician can benefit with this solution. Today I'm going to talk about process in the property and facility management. To be more specific, I will talk about inspection process and how to improve it with the Resco mobile technology. Today's agenda is very simple. So first, I would like to shortly summarize the key information about our company to those who are new here. Then I would like to focus on the product presentation. So we will be looking at different elements, functionalities, use cases, what product is composed of. Then I would like to do a mobile application demo. We will look at the application itself, on how people interact with, and also we will take a look at the back office modules. And finally, there will be a space for question and answers. For those of you who don't know us yet, here are a few facts about Resco.net. So we have been working on the mobile software solution for more than 20 years. During these times, we started the cooperation with more than 600 partners, and we have more than 200,000 people using Resco all over the world. Here you can see some of our customers, like, for example, Morgan Sindall, Town & Country, Ashton Kurt, Heineken, and many more. Currently, we have more than 2,200 corporate customers using Resco technology to mobilize the workforce. And if we talk about customers, as you can see, our solution is easy to customize and easy to tailor to any industry. That's why we can satisfy the customers from various industries. Today we are going to look at property management activities that are one of our major verticals. And when it comes to customers, many customers around the world had to face, or they are still facing, the pandemic situation. And how does the property management industry solve this situation? With significant growth of cases around the world, the companies started to have higher requirements, standards, and new rules. The demand for providing the property safe and clean increased also significantly. The situation leads also to documentation of the processes and their digitalization. And what are the unique features of this solution? Actually, we have more than 100, so it is difficult to go through all of them. Resco Inspection is a native app running at all Windows, Android, or iOS devices. The strongest feature is full offline functionality. Besides creating your own customized questionnaires, Resco Inspection offers stuff like offline maps, route planner, and exchanging Gmail integration, Skype, FaceTime, SharePoint, Dropbox. You can work with audio, video, capture signatures, scanning QR codes, barcodes, everything what you are normally used to do is available in this application. Our solution is standalone cloud-based product, but we also support any integration possibilities. We offer full integration with Dynamics 365 and Salesforce. If there is another backend to be integrated with this, there is no problem. We have some APIs available for this, and this could be possible as well. Some key advantages of Resco solution for property management are scalability, where workers can use the same app on different devices like smartwatches or HoloLenses, regardless the operation systems. Quick deployment of the app, very important supervisor tool for the managers. And we provide unlimited customization without extra charge. So you can create your unlimited number of digital forms, inspections, checklists that your employees can use on their tablets and mobile devices. Resco Inspection is our flagship product, so we do a lot of development for this, and it is really designed for any use case. So here are some of the use cases like property inspections, reporting and tracking of repairs, maintenance documentation, violence documentation, health and safety procedures, risk assessment, professional cleaning services, and many more. So we look at the Resco inspection more like a process. So at the beginning, you get a list of inspections on your mobile device or tablet. Then you open your device and you start the inspection with your own digitized forms. You collect the data, complete the task using photos, videos, barcode scan, or QR code. At the end of the digital form, signature will confirm the result of the inspection, and the report is saved and automatically stored on Resco servers as soon as you sync the application. Digitalization brings your company many benefits. Some of them we can identify immediately, like for instance, cycle speed improvement, reducing of human errors, or process harmonization and standardization. Some of the benefits we can observe also in the long-term period. Before the mobile app demo, let's have a look on our web-based modules. The Designer is a web-based back-office tool that lets you set up questionnaires and surveys in a streamlined data-driven UI. We have created a simple drag-and-drop user interface, so no coding skills are required. For better overview, you can organize the template into question groups. If you need, you can input various rules and logic. The main part of Resco Inspection, the app itself, is allowing the technician to carry out his job fast and easy, regardless the availability of the internet connection. Analyst is also a part of our solution, giving you the ability to evaluate and visualize the data from finished questionnaires. Automatic dashboards are created. You can see the results of particular answered forms and even generate custom reports. So right now I would like to start with a demonstration of this application. So as I mentioned, I will start with the role of manager in a back office. The manager will schedule the appointment for the technician controller. It can be even regular or ad hoc appointment. Technical controller will open the tablet and he is going to process his daily agenda. So here we can see the process that I'm going to show you in this demo. First step begins with manager scheduling. Secondly, the technical controller complete the digital form and appointment. When he is done, management and back office receive the notification about the completed jobs, so they can visualize the data and analyze them in real time. So right now I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to open the tablet. So right now you should see my tablet as a technical controller. But as I mentioned before, I'm going to start with the manager. So I'm going to log into the web-based application, our Resco Inspection backend. I log with my credentials, and right now I should be in the back office tools. So let's wait a second. Okay, so since I'm a manager, I have some components like questionnaire designer, where you can design your own digital forms. Here is a scheduler, where you can schedule your appointments or work orders to your staff. So I'm going to open it. Okay, so on the left side, you see all my stuff, so all the inspectors and technical controllers. So I'm going to search for technical controller. So I see that today he has 2 appointments in City Business Center and in Mlinska Nivi Tower. But today I'm going to schedule him one ad hoc appointment. So I'm going to search for the properties. So in this top bar, you can see all the properties. So I'm going to search for CCB, Business Center. I can see it here. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to just drag and drop it to the technical controller calendar. I'm going to schedule it to 2:30 p.m. So it's done. So right now, technical controller should receive the notification to his application. So I'm going to switch to the technical controller right now. And you can see that I'm in the application right now. And I see that I received the notification from the manager that my appointment was scheduled. So you can see CCB Business Center. So let's go to the Resco application. And technical controller opened his tablet right now. Right now, he's going to synchronize the data on his tablet. So he has some credentials and access. Right now it's synchronized, and he's going to check the dashboard. So this is the first view when he opened his tablet. So he can see, let's say, what should be done on the monthly basis, how many appointments he did, and another different activities. Also, as I mentioned, we support Gmail or Outlook Exchange. So he has his Gmail account connected with this Exchange, with this application, and then he's going to check his today's agenda. So as you've seen in the scheduling module scheduler that I showed you from the backend, right now he has 2 appointments which were scheduled on a regular basis, so regularly every month or every weeks, and the third one was scheduled as an ad hoc. So you can see the first 2 were accepted, so they are in a green, and one was scheduled recently. So I'm going to open it, and here you can see all the necessary things about the property and customer, and if this time is okay for this technical controller, he is going to accept or decline this appointment. So I'm going to choose that this appointment was ad hoc because it was scheduled to me during the day, and right now I'm going to also select that this is inspection type of this property activity. So I'm going to accept this, and you can see that all the appointments are ready, and I can execute and visit these properties and do the inspection right now. So you can also see this calendar on the weekly basis and on the monthly basis. So let's go back to the first appointment. And before the appointment, I can also check my route. So I will zoom in a little bit for you, and you can see that I have predefined my home from where I start the inspection, from where I start my day, and you can see one appointment after another that I'm going to visit. So if everything is okay, you can see like before the start that how many kilometers you can pass and what will be, for example, the driving time, which is on the right side. Just for your information, you can also see the different properties which are close to your properties you are going to visit. So let's go to today's agenda, and I'm going to click on the first property, and you can visualize it also on the map. You have some information about the property, so you can see that this is regular appointment. You are going to do inspection. It should be around 1 hour, and you also have some contact information from Martin Foreman, which is facility manager in this property. So right now I'm going to click on the inspection plus button. So it's on the top right corner. So I'm clicking on it. And you can see that this digital form is already prepared for me. So I'm going to click on that. And right now I'm ready to proceed this inspection. As you see, some general information about this property are already here. And I'm going to start with the inspection. I can see that this inspection composed of 3 groups, which one is interior inspection, then it's elevator inspection, and the third one is electrical inspection. At the end, there is a result of the whole inspection, and there are the 2 persons, which is me and the facility manager. So let's start with it. I'm going to start, for example, from the 20th floor, and you see you also have a schema of this floor, so you can be sure that you know all the rooms. So let's start with the interior inspection. I'm going to click on this, and you can see that this group consists of entrance area, workspace, and bathrooms. So I'm going to step by step and complete the questions. So let's say door opening, pressures not excessive for openings. So I'm going to answer step by step these questions. I'm going to choose the picture of the entrance. I'm going to attach it, and I can continue. So let's say that this entrance area is in a very good condition. So this is scoring that belongs to this subgroup, and each subgroup has its own scoring system. So let's move to workspace. So workspace is clean and orderly, and you can continue step by step with these questions. Windows open properly, yes, and then you can take a picture from the workspace. I'm going to choose this one, and then you can select what was the result of the workspace. So I'm going to click on excellent, 100%. Then I'm going to move to bathrooms. So no signs of stain, mold, and leaking. So that's fine. This is fine. This is also fine. So I'm going to choose the picture of the bathrooms. And right now, you have also a photo of these bathrooms attached, and the condition was also very good. So then we are in the group of lighting or HVAC. so you can complete this digital form step by step. You can also choose no if it's correct, and then right now we done all the subgroups, so I'm going to shift to elevator inspections. So how many elevators does the building have? So let's say 6. Then is the elevator regularly services due to regulations? Of course. And then date of last service. So let's say it was the last month. So I'm going to click on this calendar, check. And right now I have to attach the picture of this elevator. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so here I'm going to show you the possibilities of tagged image. So right now I'm going to describe the status of the specific parts of the elevator, so door operation. And when you click on the door operation, you have two questions. So does the door operate correctly? And I don't think so. So I choose no. And I also don't think so that the doors are closing smoothly. So I answered no. Then I continue with emergency. So I click on the emergency. Does the emergency button work properly? So yes and yes. And then you can continue with this inspection. So physical condition and also the lighting. So I'm going to save it with the top right check button. And right now you can see all these answers, but since the doors were a little bit broken and they didn't close smoothly, I choose not satisfactory, so like 20%. And you can see that here is a mandatory field that you have to fill. So I'm going to attach this picture with the doors. They are not closing smoothly. And here you can see and edit this picture again. And you can mark or highlight the things you want. Right now I'm going to save it. And you can even describe why the doors are not closing smoothly, for example. So I'm going to type problem with closing the doors. So here we identify some problem. Then I continue to electrical inspection, and for electrical inspection you also have some manual or some document if you need to search for any information. So I'm going to just show you the possibilities that you also can attach some folders. So it can be some schema or some photo or even this manual. And you will fulfill this question as well. And you can also click on the scoring system, which was very good condition. Then you continue with fire safety, and then you are done with the inspection. So in this conclusion, you can see the overall result. It's 80%. So what does it mean? Because we identified in elevator group that there was a problem with the doors. That's why it's not more than 90%. And at the end of this inspection, field controller is going to sign. And of course, if we have a contact in this property, which in this case was Martin Foreman, he is going to sign as well. After the inspection is done, I'm going to complete the video report. And here you can see and visualize your inspection in the PDF format. So you see also the duration time, it was around 7 minutes and 44 seconds. And you have also here the schema, the floor, the answers for interior inspection, then the property, entrance. You see also the workspace. You also see the bathrooms. And here you can see also the description of the elevator inspection. So here we can see that it was not satisfactory, so it was for 20%. So I'm going to close it. I will save and close. And here right now you can see that the report was already generated. So it's stored under this property. So you can even get back to it if you want to check some information. And what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to click on the synchronization button just to make sure that all my data was stored in the cloud, in the system, and all, let's say, also back office has access to see it. Just one thing what I would like to show you is that since the elevator inspection was not satisfactory, the incident was created automatically. So this is also possibility that can be in your business scenario. So since we had this scoring system, we realized that the elevator was not completed properly. So I'm going to click on the incident button, and we see that this incident has a specific unique identification number. And we have sent this incident with the problem with elevator to the responsible team, which is elevator@maintenance.com. And this team or this company can see all the information and what was done. So also this property management checklist digital form is also attached, so they can see where was the problems, and they can send their for example some technicians that can repair and do the maintenance of the elevator. So also the company and also the technician is can visualize that it was this incident was submitted, and also they will be notified when the elevator company will receive this incident, and then they can take it, and this will be moved to the progress and even solved. So this was basically the activity from the technician controller. I would like to go back to the manager console, where manager can see the results, what was done in the field. So let's go back to the backend, and I'm going to click home. So I've showed you a scheduling board, and right now I would like to see the result viewer. So manager is going to check if the inspection was done. And in this web-based tool, he's going to filter technician controller, and you can even filter it by date. So let's say I just want to see the results from Monday, and you can see that the last one was done recently, 11:27, and it was about 7 minutes 44 seconds. So you can click on it, and you can see all the results, all the photo. Also you can have some manuals and scanning inside this result viewer. What you can do it here, you can export all this data in a CSV format, and then later you can plug in your analyzing tool like Power BI or ClickView and analyze it. I'm going back to the manager console. And I would like to show you also the submitting report. So here you should see the all folders, all inspections in PDF format in a chronologically. So I'm going to click on the first one, and you can see that after the synchronization from the technical controller, the PDF format is already here. So I'm going to download the PDF format, and you can visualize it, and you can, of course, send it to the customer or store it in your system. So this was basically about the result. And right now I would like to show you also the application. So here I would like to show you external access for the application. So I'm going to Property Office, and here I will log in as a Sean Parker, which is the I'm going to log as a Sean Parker, which is the property manager in our one of our portfolio in our properties. And he is going to check all the incidents what was created by us. So he received the notification that the elevator was not not satisfactory condition. So he can open it, and he can see that there was a problem with closing the doors. So he can open this inspection and check where was the problem. Even the property office can create the new incident. So in case they want to send it back to the building, you can create your own incident with your specific ID. So this is the possibility for external access. So your customers can have specific access, and they can receive incident or even send incident to you. So right now I would like to give you a space for questions and answers. So if you have any question, please ask. I would like to answer the questions. Okay. So feel free to ask. Okay, I have a question. I would like to set up external access to my customers. Are they available to create the incident from this web app? Yes, of course, it is possible. This is the matter of how the app is customized, and the permission can be set up based on user role or business unit. So the final user will have an access to the specific data he is allowed to read, write, or delete. If you have any question, you can ask. Okay, we have a different question. Can I schedule different types of tasks instead of properties? Good question. Uh, yes, you can set up a different type of tasks based on your business processes. Um, you can choose from the custom option, or you can create your own custom one. For example, it can be work orders. Okay, is there any more question? Okay, so I think this was the last one. So thank you for attending today's webinar. I was happy to demonstrate you our Resco inspection solution, and I hope you enjoyed it. Once again, as I mentioned at the beginning, we organize these kind of webinars and online trainings for you regularly. So don't hesitate to follow us on LinkedIn, YouTube, or check out our website where you can find all the important information. You can also contact me and my colleagues that you can see on the slide.